final race of the West Coast Swing on this 1 mile Phoenix Raceway.
Have a great day, guys. That was a good one today, fellas. Nice, smooth, everybody do their thing. Long day. Big picture here, guys. Green flag, all the way. Standing out crashing with. It is so fast. I'm about to be in trouble here. The top couple cars are definitely running in that black stuff. There you go, man. You got to get up there and figure it out. That's where the grip's at this point. Getting in deep. Going to get inside.
Oh, we got trouble in turn 2. Denny Hamlin involved. Brad Keselowski, Ryan Blaney.
It hit pretty damn hard. Major right rear damage, guys. It's okay. I didn't hit that hard. All right, green checker, get your switch back on.
Harvick has won stage number 1.
Blue tire, boys. Blue tire. Get the point. Yeah, I just didn't want to hit that tire there, guys. I don't know what the right thing to do was. KNAUS down here. Fight our way back up.
Race leader with a problem.
I think I got a loose wheel. I think the left front is going to have to come this next lap.
Brad Keselowski will score the stage win.
Nice job right there, man. 19's blocking the out of us. Race at 19 like your race is used.
Oh, Reddick in the wall.
Be ready, guys. We just pounded the fence right front.
Joey Logano issues on this stop.
That sucks, huh? Or the jack brake? Jack broke. The worst timing ever. Well, we'll race from here.
Here we go, and Keselowski with the jump. Elliott right with him.
If I get back to the 2, he's not finishing. Just FYI. I agree. I'm tired of with him all over his ass. Yeah, he's about to dip. Always has been.
4-1-0.
Pounding the wall is Truex.
19 Truex.
Hands pushing here. All good, bud. All good. You're going to have a hell of a run going into 1. Yeah, right in the wall. Got run over from behind. That clown in the Tinko. Yeah, second time he's hit me going in the corner today. Well, I'm telling Joey not to drill me in the back in the restart zone. That's not doing any of us any favors. Copy, will do.
4 laps to go when they restart. Big spin, start, finish, and caution waves again.
The 22's been playing his normal games on restart. Goes fast 1 time, slow 1 time, he brake checked 1 time.
Make sure they're cleaned up. Do what you've been doing, don't force anything. Do what you know it'll do.
Copy. Green light check. Everything off.
Here we go, Logano the control car, and he's out first by a car length.
Still outside 4 at the top. Watch the outside of the 4. He's going to be up there, half back, lane higher. Coming to the white. Everybody 2 out back, all out front. Mason, you're there. 3 back now, all good. To drive down here over. It's really deep here. 4 back, all good. Roll that bottom here. 4, all good, all good. 3 back, 2 back, all good, all good. To the checker right here, you win it.
Woo! Second win of the season for Joey Logano.
That's right, boys. Woo! Get the dance today.
Good job, man. Finally got a Phoenix win. Thank you.